I'm the type of language learner that is obsessed with the topic of fluency and becoming fluent. And I know that this can be extremely challenging to comprehend and to describe, but I think that is probably what is the most fun about this topic, is that I have to figure out what exactly it means. But right now, to answer the question, what is fluency, I'm going to be sharing with you the perspectives of other language learners, and more specifically, some YouTubers that I like to watch a lot. The first YouTuber on my list is Ali Richards, and Ali thinks that fluency is not the same as accuracy or proficiency. His definition of fluency is using words in a way to get meaning across with the aim to be able to have a nice, successful, enjoyable interaction with the person that you are talking to. I like that definition a lot because it sounds very stress-free, because I know when I first started my language learning journey, I thought fluency was just perfection. The next YouTuber is Luca Lampariello, and he thinks that spoken fluency is the linguistic ability combined with cultural awareness to confidently and smoothly communicate with native speakers in a meaningful way. Also, he thinks that fluency is not a line that you cross, but it is more of a continuous line. And it also does not mean that you are learning a language perfectly. I like Luca's definition here because he includes cultural awareness. And I've learned throughout my Spanish learning journey that the culture in which I grew up in is not exactly like the culture in Spanish-speaking countries. Bilingue blogs. Now, his definition of fluency is the ability to successfully have conversations and express yourself in another language over a broad spectrum of topics while still maintaining the same personality that you have in your native language. I like that he includes personality into his definition because we all definitely do have different types of personalities. I know when I am speaking Spanish and I'm very passionate about a topic, my hands are going all over the place like they usually are in these videos, and I'm very loud, I'm laughing very loudly as well. So that's just something I think is really interesting to keep in mind. I definitely have a better grasp on what fluency is after hearing the perspectives of these different YouTubers. I'll make sure that I put the links of the videos where they talk about this topic in the description box below. Now, if you want to know what speaking Spanish fluently means to me, watch this next video.